welcome. My name is Rebecca, and I am the temporary housewife. Today, I'm gonna be sharing with you a childhood favorite, arroz con salchichas, or rice with Vienna sausages. And for today's recipe, we're going to be using some sofrito, chicken bouillon, sazón, green olives, rice, and of course, the star of the show, our Vienna sausages. I am using Salchichas Caramela, which is a favorite brand, and not only in my household, but in Puerto Rico. And the moment we saw them in the supermarket, we had to get some. In this pot, I am going to heat about a tablespoon of oil. Once it's heated, I will add sofrito. Chicken bouillon. Sazón. Some olives, and the star. You're gonna notice that I sliced them in half. You can do them whole. You can slice them in thirds and quarters, whatever works for you. In my house, we like to slice them in half. And we're just gonna bring that to a boil to then add our rice. I tasted the broth and thought it needed a little bit more salt, so I added some adobo. I cooked this uncovered at a medium-high heat for about 20 minutes, and once the rice had absorbed all of the liquid, I went ahead and gave it a good stir. It's important that that bottom rice comes to the top to ensure that everything cooks evenly. This scraping down the walls thing is something I saw my mom do when she made rice, so I do it too. At this point, I lowered the heat to a medium-low, laid a sheet of paper towel over my rice, and covered it. I left it there for another 15 minutes. And here it is, arroz con salchichas, with a side of those delicious beans I shared with you last week, and some plátanos maduros, some fried, ripe plantains. Nothing fancy, but so delicious. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see some more, please subscribe. Thank you so much for spending this time with me, and buen provecho!